Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a common Python error. It's the dreaded BadZipFile, file is not a zip file message. This error pops up when you're trying to open or work with a zip file. Python thinks the file isn't a valid zip archive. Let's explore why this happens and how to fix it. First, let's understand the common causes. A primary reason is file corruption. The zip file might have been damaged during download or transfer. Imagine downloading a large file. If the connection drops midway, you might end up with an incomplete and corrupted zip. Another culprit is incorrect file extension. Sometimes, a file might not be a zip file, but it is named with a .zip extension mistakenly. The third reason could be incomplete writing process. This occurs if the zip archive creation wasn't completed properly, leaving the file in an invalid state. The fourth potential cause is a corrupted archive header. Zip files have headers that contain crucial information. If this header is damaged, Python won't be able to recognize it as a valid zip file. Now, let's dive into the troubleshooting steps. First, re-download the file. This is the simplest and often most effective solution if you suspect corruption during download. Go back to the source and download the zip file again. Ensure that the download completes fully without any interruptions. Second, verify the file extension. Double-check if the file actually is a zip file. Try opening it with a standard zip program like 7-zip or WinRAR. If these programs also fail to open it, it's likely not a valid zip file. Rename the extension to .txt, try to open it and see if the content makes sense. If the file isn't supposed to be zipped, change its extension to the correct one. Third, try using a different zip library. Python has several zip libraries. If the zip file module is failing, try using a different one. For example, try using the shootil library to extract the archive. Fourth, inspect the file for premature end. Check if the zip creation process was interrupted. If you created the file yourself, ensure your code completes the zipping operation fully before closing or releasing the file handle. Fifth, utilize error handling within your Python code. Wrap your zip-related operations in try-except blocks. This allows you to catch the BadZipFile exception and handle it gracefully. You can display a user-friendly error message or attempt an alternative approach. Sixth, consider using a file repair tool. There are tools designed to repair corrupted zip files. These tools attempt to reconstruct the damaged parts of the archive. However, their success rate can vary depending on the extent of the damage. Lastly, ensure you have enough disk space. Lack of disk space could cause the zipping to abort, leaving you with a corrupted zip file. Make sure you have adequate disk space before zipping. That's it for troubleshooting the BadZipFile error. I hope this video was helpful in resolving your zip file issues. If you found this tutorial useful, please leave a like. It helps others find this content. Also, consider subscribing for more Python tips and tutorials. Your support motivates me to create more valuable content for you.